So I got my ceiling panel, bottoms up. So what I'm going to do is glue these edges, so that's all finished, and later do the inside holes for the lights as well. But we'll do the outside first. Get a little bit in detail about how I do the corners. And that's more or less all you need. Some paint thinner to get the glue off your fingers. Some 3M77, that works great on fabric. And a roller, a pair of scissors and a sharp knife. I'll first cut the corners a bit. So I'll do these corners first, these small corners. The outside corner is most simple. This is about a quarter of an inch thick, so I start about a quarter of an inch from the wood, from the panel, and then go slightly outwards. If this is the 45-degree angle, I'll go a little bit outwards and do the same thing at the other side of the corner. I'll do it this way. Because so many pieces come together and the tweed is not that thin, it's quite heavy. If you don't remove as much material as possible, you get it stacks up and it's quite unsightly. So I try to keep it as small as possible, but it still has a lot of connection to the wood, so that looks good. Then for that side piece, I set at the same point at about 1/8 of an inch from the wood and go slightly inwards here too. And the inward corner is simple. Also stay away about 1/8 of an inch from the wood, from the panel, and go in a diagonal corner. This goes here, and that there. Let it dry a little bit. I pull it up first at 90 degree, so you get a sharp corner. These inside corners, you try to divide it into pieces that have a more or less straight edge, so with as little curve as possible. So first this corner. Hello, Joey. Hey, come. Come. Come here. Yeah, come here. Say hello. Huh? Say hello to the camera. Hello. I'll be there right away. Huh? See, first pull it up and then fold it down. Up and down. And I'm not a professional. I'm just somebody that watches YouTube videos and makes them. First I copy the locations of these strips that I put on the ceiling of the van and copy them to the panel, as you can see, so you know where they should be. And I did that as accurately as I could. Okay. That's all that's left. I gave these surfaces an extra layer of polyurethane and sanded them down again, so and cleaned them again this morning, so this tape will adhere to it as well as it can. That's one. And after I'm finished, I'll let them be for 2 or 3 days, because that's where the full adhesion takes place, so just to make sure. Now that I've more or less finished all the upper cabinets, I'll be able to work on my ceiling panel. I'm trying out a way to fix that panel to the ceiling, and I need to have some supports for the sides. So what I'm going to do is place one of these rails on the side, at the top of the wall. Have that ceiling panel here, supported by this strip of wood, and that's the idea. Whether it works, we'll have to see it when I'm finished. But now I'm filing the edge so I can't hurt myself. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel.
If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys, done a good job.